Good Tuesday, everyone. Looking at our weather map for today. Wow, it is quiet from the central U.S. all the way to the East Coast. And I think I've said that more than once this month. So February's been good to us so far. So a pleasant day for much of the country. The unpleasant weather is out on the West Coast where dangerous flooding, high winds, heavy mountains, snows falling in feet. 3 fatalities so far out in California, all 3 from fallen trees. So some very strong gusty winds, saturated soil, states of emergency have been issued all over the place out there. Just a very, very, very dangerous day once again for those folks being affected by this big storm system coming into the West Coast. Our weather, though, is looking very quiet. Tuesday, Wednesday, mostly sunny. Look at that, highs in the mid 50s today, upper 50s tomorrow. Thursday, we start seeing a few more clouds. Continued warm, though, highs in the upper 50s. And speaking of warm, it just stays warm. Going on up in the mid 50s on Friday, 60 on Saturday. But whenever you get that southerly flow, you're going to bring in some moisture. And we got a good chance of rain on Friday. Pretty good chance of rain on Saturday. And I can just give you a little preview of Sunday, much of the same. So, soak up the sun today and tomorrow and Thursday, because once we get past Thursday, it's going to be hard to find that sunshine in the sky. As we'll be getting much wetter around here. Pretty calm winds from today through Wednesday, but starting to pick up out of the south on Thursday, and those will be with us probably on through Friday night. But those will be southerly winds, so they'll at least be warm. And of course, don't forget this 5-day forecast brought to you by Clearview Closet and Blind. Visit them at closetandblind.com to see how they can offer creative solutions for your home. On this date, 1807, it was a cold Friday in the Midwest and South. The temperature didn't get above 0 in all of Ohio and Kentucky. I can promise you it was pretty nippy down here too. 2010, February 5th through 6th, big nor'easter caused what they called Snowmageddon from North Carolina all the way to New York. 32 inches at Washington Dulles, 28 at Philadelphia, 21 at Pittsburgh. 18 in Atlantic City. That's a big snowstorm, folks. That's something that they don't soon forget. And not even those folks. 1971, American astronaut Alan Shepard is first to hit a golf ball on the moon. That's why we say golf was the first sport ever played on the moon. Don't forget we have Twister coming up February 17th, 7 p.m. Tickets $5 at the door. Come on out and enjoy an awesome movie and support a good cause. Those proceeds going to support my space camp coming up this summer. So I'll have more information on that space camp coming up pretty soon. Also, I have Weather and Wine, a fundraising event for creative compassion that I put together. This is the second one I've done at Stonehouse. That'll be February the 12th. That's Monday evening at 5 p.m. Last about an hour and a half. Tickets are $30 on Eventbrite, and again, those proceeds benefit Creative Compassion and our mission to help folks in our community. No other industry, agricultural industry, is impacted by weather and climate quite like the grape industry. So I've got some interesting stuff to share with you, and got a couple of experiments we can do as well. And I'll have a good time, thankfully being hosted by Stonehouse Winery. They're very, very gracious hosts to us. You folks have a wonderful Tuesday and keep looking up. And for more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.